Welcome to school 2.
What I will do for that girl? Hey, look at girl. Peace. Peace.
What is it?
Peace.
Why are you fighting me in this?
How many times did I call you? Peace and money.
Why are you looking for my trouble?
How will you be asking me that kind of a question? Have you forgotten the time you were insulting me on that road? You don't know how painful it is. Let me warn you. Let this be the first and the last time you will stop me on the road and tell me rubbish.
You can do it.
Okay, look at how you are looking at me as if you want to fight. Okay, you want to fight. You want to fight. If you want to fight, then you have to cross this line.
Hey.
Yes,
fight.
Yeah.
Which one do you choose?
You choose this one. Look at you.
Because I'm a good Christian.
Hey! Who
I
is
don't
a
want
good
to fight.
Christian?
Let me tell you this. Look at that, your auntie that look like a bag of sand. Two-person, she is a two-person.
Yes. Don't worry. Next time I'll catch you. My auntie.
Now, catch me.
Are you talking to my auntie?
Yes, now
Okay.
catch you.
Jennifer, what happened? What took you so long?
She was even discussing me in front of people. She said that you look like sandbag, that you are very fat, that anytime you are walking, you used to walk like this. That's what she was saying about you. You see how she was disgracing me on the road.
Peace.
Yes.
Peace. If I touch that girl,
Auntie, wait though. Why have you not married?
I've not seen husband, my sister. When I see husband, I will marry.
Auntie, I'll put you on LS because me, I cannot take it again. I cannot take it again. I cannot take the insult that people are insulting me outside.
You put yourself in OLX, idiot.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
Who is that?
But now somebody that too.
From where?
What? Jesus!
I am here, you are knocking.
I'm good at house.
Namide house.
As I brought enter OLX, now I see person, they say they look for husband. This girl is beautiful.
That is me. That's me.
On top of OLX, you look like Beyonce. Now for the left, you are looking like Munkari one so.
This is me, Philo. If you're not comfortable with me, you can use the gate.
We don't come for money, we come for wife.
What?
We come for wife, Philomena.
For this company,
Yo,
I no be here.
you see Philomena for OLS.
No be here, no be here. Now this company. You see the picture again?
Oh,
Now for this company.
take you.
Mommy, good afternoon, ma. I'm looking for one Philo.
It's me that is Philo.
You, Philo?
Yes.
Philo? The one I saw on OLX.
That is me.
You're the Philo I saw on OLX.
Wait, fine. You don't even bother for me to open the gate.
Hey, come. Can you call her for me?
Wait.
What is that?
My auntie does not like short people.
Shut up! Who said your auntie? I've already discussed with your
You're
auntie.
not my auntie type. I know my auntie. She doesn't
I said, go and call your auntie.
There. What?
Yeah, this is
Good
my
afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
auntie.
What happened?
It's the one I'm telling him you are not his
I'm
type.
looking
Who
for.
is not his type?
I want to see Sister Philo.
That is me.
No.
That is me.
No. The Philo I saw on OLS. It's a slim, sexy girl.
That is me now. Check it out.
No.
Check it out.
I don't need the
I need
mother.
it though.
I don't need mother.
I can be a good mother
No,
and a good
I have
wife.
mother at home.
I can be a good mother.
No,
too.
I have mother at home.
Tell him I'm Auntie Philo.
No, I'm not good for her. I'm not Philo. No, I don't. I'm there. No, don't start threatening me. No, I don't.
Hey guys, my name is Alex Kuba. I'm an actor and keep watching School 2 comedy. Don't touch that dial.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to School 2, please. Subscribe.
Please,
Make it down now. Make down now.
Is any different from me? See, you don't want people to see me.
School 2.